So, this is our final video of this MATLAB for the beginners series, and in this overall series what we have covered all the basics which are related to the MATLAB. Okay. So, if you are going to use the MATLAB for the numeric calculations in engineering, in other scientific fields, what you will need to do is basically covered in this video. Okay. So, that is the overall scenario and overall functionality of the MATLAB whatever we have covered in this series. Okay. Apart from it, if you want to use MATLAB for other purposes, what you have here, you can see that this fx is written, and just by clicking over it you will see that different options will appear here. Okay. So, these are the language fundamentals, mathematics, graphics and GUI building and so on. These are all the functions which you may use inside the MATLAB, and these are called basically the toolboxes. Okay. So, all the toolboxes are available here. You may see here that these are the toolboxes which you can use. So, econometric toolbox, DSP system toolbox for the digital signal processing, filter design, HDL coder for the hardware descriptive language and so on. So, these are all the toolboxes which you can use. So, let me have this image processing toolbox, and here you will see that other options will also appear, just like image export and image import, export, conversion, display and exploration, image enhancement, image analysis, GPU computing and so on. So, clicking over one of it you will see more options, and basic commands will be seen here once any of these will be covered. So, just stopping over it and you will see that all the description about the commands will appear here, and you will see that the description, by using this description you may use them anywhere whatever you want. Okay. Similarly, apart from it you can also have different conversion tools as well here. So, system test is also available, just like construct, test, test case and signal authoring. Okay. So, these are all the things which will be used for the advanced uses of the MATLAB. Okay. So, these are all the fundamental functions which we have already used, just like on CLC. Okay. So, you will see that this MATLAB function clears all the input and output from the command window display and so on. Okay. Similarly, other commands as well. So, I am not going to dive into the details of these commands. So, this is the conclusive video in which I am going to tell you that you have covered all the basics of the MATLAB, and this is the MATLAB for beginner course, and in our upcoming course we are going to convert from the MATLAB into the Python, and some Python packages which are mostly related to the MATLAB and which have the same functionality as that of the MATLAB will be covered very soon. Okay. So, in this course you have covered all the basics, and for further advanced courses stay tuned to our channel, and I will see you with some more courses. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.